Hey everyone, I want to talk today a little bit about PMI. Some people don't know what this is. They see it on their mortgage statement and they're like, why am I paying this? Well, PMI is a mortgage insurance, and it's a mortgage insurance not to protect you, but to protect the lender. So in the event that you are not able to make your mortgage payments anymore and they have to foreclose on your home, they're going to get paid back a portion of what they trusted you with as far as the loan. Now, this could be a couple of $100s a month, so a lot of people are interested in getting rid of that payment. The way you can do it depends on your loan. If you have a FHA loan or another government loan, typically what you have to do is refinance the house. You cannot get PMI dropped. Now, if you are in a conventional mortgage and you reach the 80% mark, which is 80% loan to value, you can get it dropped. Have questions? Give me a call or drop a comment below and let's help you understand what it is you're paying for.